EVERCROSS H7 electric scooter. This thing is the latest and greatest from EVERCROSS. 28 miles per hour, 28 mile range, 330-pound weight capacity. It's nice. It's a beefy charger, the quick start, and the user guide. Our toolkit, EVERCROSS H7 scooter. And it comes pretty much assembled. Boom, the seat. There's our headlight. We got keys in this baby. That's how you protect your scooter. Can't start them out without the key. But they added this little area. This is awesome. You can like have another person stand on here. Because this thing has 330-pound capacity. I can carry my wife on this thing with me. Push this thing down right here. Lift up the front of the scooter. It'll lock in place. Have the headlamp right here. Take out this bolt and put in the headlamp right here. Kickstand right here. So this part right here, you can put this on here and you can lock it up in place. Lock it down. Then you got a place for your seat right here. The handlebars just pop out like that. That's so easy. This control unit with the horn right here. With the handlebar, we're gonna flip this around so the brakes are here and you have the control axis here. Rotate around this way. So then we have the control panel right there and the brake handle is right here. So it's comfortable for us to brake. Tighten this baby down. Very comfortable grip. Our controls are here and we have the access to the keys right over here. And then we got our acceleration here and our brake right here. Nice. I'm gonna tighten up this right here and we'll lock it into place. So on this side, this is where we tighten up this piece over here. Tighten it up so that we can see our speedometer and we have our acceleration pad over there. Same thing with this one over here, same angle, and we're gonna tighten it down. This is our on and off and our horn. They give you all the tools you need. Beep, 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 beep. Sweet. The hex wrench, we're gonna open up this right here to attach the front light. Screwing on the headlamp, tighten down our headlamp. We adjust the angle up and down. Here is our extra cushioning seat and slide this in and we should be good. You can change the height of the seat however you want and then when you're ready, you're gonna lock it in just like that. Tighten it a little bit. Figure out the height you want and lock it in. Up like that. It'll unlatch, fold it up. When you want to use it, pull it out. When you are in position, what you do is you want to pull the safety pin out and slide this latch in right here and let the safety pin latch in. This thing will not collapse. It's very solid. You need the key to turn it on. So we have the keys right here. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Turn it on. Oh yeah. You push the power button right here. We got the battery power. We got the speed. We got the gear. We have the lights. Look right here. Boom. Turn on the light and you see the lights up. This thing has so many lights. You got the light down there. Look at that orange light right here. But it looks so good. We got lights back here too. Brake light over here. When you hit the brake pedal, it turns red. On the side, you got lights right there. The horn. Boom. We got the power key, the gear, the speed, the battery bar, the brake, the function key. This is the function key. Push and hold right here. 1, 2, and 3. If you look down here, boom, you get the lights. Oh, so beautiful. Those patterns are sick. We have on this side too. Both sides. Dude, it's so nice. This thing is loaded with light, speed, performance, and everything. 28 miles per hour, 28 mile range, 330-pound capacity. This is the EVERCROSS H7 scooter. This thing is a beast. We're gonna take it out on the road. This thing is so cool. Oh yeah.